In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve the issue with Google Chrome that causes it to keep opening new tabs on its own. This is a common problem that can be quite frustrating, but we're going to address it with a series of easy-to-follow steps. First, you'll want to make sure that your Chrome is completely up to date. Outdated versions can sometimes cause unexpected behavior, and keeping your software current can prevent many issues. To check for updates, open Chrome and click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner, navigate to Help, and then click on About Google Chrome. This section will automatically check for updates and install them if necessary. Next, consider checking your settings for any unwanted extensions that could be causing this issue. Extensions can be incredibly helpful, but they can also misbehave and cause problems such as opening new tabs randomly. To do this, click on the three dots in the top corner again, go to More Tools, then Extensions. Here, you'll see a list of all your installed extensions. Disable them one by toggling the switch off and checking if the problem resolves. This way, you can identify if a specific extension is causing the issue. Once you've pinpointed the troublesome extension, you can decide whether to update it, disable it permanently, or look for an alternative. Now, if disabling extensions doesn't seem to solve the problem, the next step is to check for malware or unwanted software that might be affecting your browser. Chrome has a built-in cleanup tool that can help with this. Again, go to the three dots, navigate to Settings, then scroll down to Advanced to find the Reset and Cleanup section. Here you'll find an option to Clean Up Computer. This tool will search for and remove any harmful software that could be causing your browser to behave strangely. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, you might want to reset Chrome settings. This process restores Chrome settings to their default and can often solve persistent issues. Before proceeding, remember that resetting will disable all extensions and clear temporary data. To reset, in the Reset and Cleanup section, you'll find Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click on this option, then select Reset Settings. Finally, if none of these procedures work, it's a good idea to tweak your startup settings. Go back to Settings and look for the On Startup panel. Here, choose Open a specific page or set of pages to control what opens when you launch Chrome. Make sure there's nothing suspicious or unintended in your startup pages. That wraps up today's tutorial on fixing Google Chrome when it keeps opening new tabs on its own. With these steps, you should be able to take control of your browsing experience and eliminate that frustration. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.